What? I'm in the middle of things. You're doing fine. Listen. Like I said, I'ma click, click, boom, shoot your ass right now. I saw this guy ass real red right now. I'm like, oh shit, I just broke this guy down, man. He's all broken. His ass flips down. He goes to the hospital. He saw himself now, man. What's wrong with you? You just crying right now. I know I shot a bullet in your ass now. Click, click, boom on your ass right now. You be crying to your mother. Your mom said what happened now. I'm gonna expand it. Man, who the hell you talking to? A freaking mechanic. And it's the only things happen. I've been eating little strawberries right now. Every time I remember that, I shut that guy's ass now. You don't know nothing. Every time I see you, you look like nothing. This is the only thing I'm showing you right now. Look at my face, and I just saw you right now. You said a black card, ass card. What the hell you looking at? I'll be buying you a freaking black card. You so stupid. You're such a little whitey. What the hell you doing? Don't touch my shit, you little hoe, little bitch. Smell like shit. What the hell are you doing? You look like my shit. You look like poop on the ground. What the hell are you doing? I thought a dog was around. You such a black ass. Look at myself. Oh no, look at yourself. You look like a dumbass. Make no sense. Make no sense. And I just tell you right now, your mom look like a little dumbass. She smelling like a bitch. Suck my dick and I'll turn into a goat car. I put some gas in you, turn like a dumb hard. Your dick started going real hard. You look like a freaking wood. I thought I saw you. You remind me of Pinocchio. This blacked out man, this the only shit I remember you with my man. You fucking faggot. You look like a maggot. What the hell are you doing in the job? You look like a faggot. Okay, man, this calling right now. Get you a freaking job right now. Your job is a clown. What the hell are you doing? You're so stupid right now. I be seeing the couch. What the hell are you doing? Jerking off that bed. What the hell, man? You're so stupid right now. I be calling you in bed. You're so stupid right now. I be calling you every day in bed. I be calling you 24 hours a day. What the hell are you doing, man? You're so stupid every day, man. You're so tiny. You look like a butthole. Your dick is only 3 inches. What the hell, man? You're so stupid. I looked at you. You looked at me and stupid. I'm sorry about the stupid. I think I need to watch my freaking little language. Oh shit, I should stop saying this again. I wanna be a rapper and of the shit. I know I finished this shit right now. I wanna say everybody goodbye right now. I'ma shoot this guy before he dies. His funeral's only 3 a day. He only had 3 days to live. What the hell am I doing right now? Let me shoot this nigga right now. I be turning him all around. I just spanked his ass right now. This guy's such a crybaby. What the hell you doing here, you little babies? I be calling you little like lately. This is bass freestyle. What the hell you doing? I'm just basic. This is a real story. Man, I just shut this guy ass right now. This guy be talking shit right now. Oh no, I think I'm Wiz Khalifa right now. I need to stop talking this shit. Oh man, I'ma get busted for this shit. Oh no, this is such a shit, man. You're such a little stupid little faggot as a maggot. You look like a dick and I thought you were a faggot, man. You so stupid. I saw you with a man. What the hell you doing with that guy instead of man? Okay, okay, okay. You need to be lady. You little fucking ass. Look at me in the face. You look like an ass, man. I be seeing you eating cake. What the hell you doing eating cream with cake? Just eat it. This little sucker. What the hell you doing? You little maggot. I know I be saying maggot every day because this guy's so short every day. So stupid. He thinks he's a clown. Every time he be driving with a smart car now. Okay, man, just drive right now. I'll be going down with a freaking Lamborghini right now. I drive your little ass right now. Go to the park and play with those kids right now. Because he's so small right now. I'll let you play with a 3-year-old. Oh man, just look at me with P.O. man. This is only Vito and every time I see yo. Oh man, this guy became Creole. What the hell you doing this in Espino? What the hell you doing, man? Just look at me in the face. I'll be coming right now. This is exploding right now. What the hell, man? It been calling right now. I'm in a Medina, Atlanta, and a Vecina. What the hell you doing in that freaking casino? Oh no, this man so crazy right now. Look at me in the face right now. I'm calling right now. Oh no, I just finished this battle right now. This kid is so stupid. Hey, he's right now. He's looking at me with his fear. He's so stupid here. Man, what the hell you looking at, you fucking little bitch ass nigga? Look at me in the face. Okay, finish.